रही मैं? लग तो रही हूँ। गर्मी लग गई, एसी भी चालू नहीं कर सकती, आवाज आएगी फिर तुम लोग बोलोगे यार पूरा आवाज बहुत आती है तेरी वीडियो में। हाँ, अब वीडियो खत्म हो गई, अब तो नहीं बैठना होगा तुझे। जब मैं वीडियो बना रही थी तब यहीं घुसी रही थी तू। हैं? व्हाट इज दिस बिहेवियर? बेबो, व्हाट इज दिस बिहेवियर? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, I'm Apurva and I make some very interesting videos. And I have my baby here. Yes. So today's video will be my top 10 favorite products from skincare to makeup. And if you want to know what are they, just keep on watching the video. Just a disclaimer, I know my voice have a very windy effect and it's a little bit disturbing, but my mic is coming soon, so next video will be having a very clear audio and there won't be any windy sound in that. So the products will be in a random order, nothing specific. I will just be starting from skincare to makeup, and they might have fluctuated their prices in one of the sites. I will be putting the links in the description box from Amazon, Nykaa and Purple, maybe Flipkart also, so you can check them out. So the first product will be my favorite. I can't stay a day without it. I have just ordered the second tub of it and it is just awesome. I have even showed it in my 5 minutes makeup challenge video, and that is Pond's Super Light Gel. It is super hydrating. Girls with dry skin, I'm telling you, this is the best moisturizing cream for you. It has a very creamy kind of it have a very what we can say, gel kind of a texture, and it have hyaluronic acid in it, plus vitamin E. Yes, so it is very good for skin. I'm telling you, go for it. It was for I guess 224 rupees, and it also have a small tub also, so you can go for it for just try if you liked it, and you can surely order the big one. My next product will be Mamaearth Upton face wash. Oh god, I'm feeling like I'm doing some commercial. This is the mini one. The big one is in my bathroom. I'm not gonna take it out. So this is the mini one. This is Mamaearth Upton face wash, and it is really very good. I feel it's very good. People have a mixed opinion about it. So it have turmeric and Upton kind of a stuff in it. Sorry, I'm bad at explaining stuff. Okay, so it also can be used as a scrub plus face wash because it have tiny particles in it, and it's very good for skin. I use it daily, and this is just a substitute if I empty my big one. So that is that. Next will be Maybelline BB cream. It's almost over, guys. This is just awesome. I'm telling you, the products I'm showing is very good for dry skin people. It can also be used by all skin types, but especially for dry skin people. So this is Maybelline BB cream in the shade, what is the shade? I will link the shade in the description box. So this is awesome, guys. If you are not in a mood to put foundation, just use this, and I'm telling you, this will be it. Just use this, put some blush, lip tint, and you are good to go. That's it. I'm telling you. The next is, I have recently ordered this, and I'm telling you, this is so good, guys. I know I'm saying so good for every product, but if I'm including these products in my top 10 list, this is the best. This one is Maybelline Fit Me Compact Powder, and guys, I'm telling you, it have a very good texture in it. It have a very good texture in it, and can you see this baby is sniffing? Yeah, baby. आपको लगाना है? आप लगाओगे? No, बेटा, खाने की चीजें नहीं है ये. No. So it has a very if you can see, no beta. So it have a very shiny kind of texture, and it's very smooth on the skin. You will not even feel that you have a product on your skin. This is a must have, guys. The next product is Maybelline concealer. I'm telling you people, if you want to conceal your eyes, go for this. This is the best product for concealing eyes in budget. Yes. So my baby was sniffing everything. Baby, no. I will just show you what is the consistency. It just blends in the skin so nicely. I just love this concealer. Though I don't conceal my eyes, but when I conceal them, because I have a lot of dark circles and it doesn't look good in some pictures which I post on the Instagram or any other platform. So you should surely go for this. This is just awesome. The next is actually I'm going in the order from skincare to makeup when we move towards the makeup stuff. So I'm going in that order. The next would be, I'm tired guys. I'm shooting the video without AC because it makes a lot of noise, and I just sit below the AC and my AC makes a lot of sound. So the next product will be, what should I show you, the blush or the contour? Okay, I'll show you the contour stuff first because I've recently ordered this. This is the Wet n Wild concealer plus contour stick. Yes, so it's a duo. One side there is a concealer and the other side there is the contour. Sorry. So this is how it looks. This is the concealer and this is the contour. It also have shades. You can surely go for whatever shade your skin suits. So you can go for this. This was for, I guess, 479 rupees because I have recently ordered this and this is very good. The next is, I have either Wet n Wild or Maybelline products only because they are reasonable. So this one is Wet n Wild Color Icon blush and it is in the shade peachy pink. Yeah, it's kind of a peachy only because it doesn't have, oh, it's pigmented guys. This is pigmented. Let me just show you. It will look so good on the cheeks, I'm telling you. This is awesome. This is the product and it is awesome. I have not even removed the tag. So the next thing is, this is also a contour and highlighter stuff. It is a big pan guys. It fit my hand. If you take this, you are done. You are done for many months, I guess. So this is the product. The one side is lighter. I use it as a loose powder and the other side is contour. If you like powder contour, you can surely go for this one. This is a very good product and this is in budget. For the beginners, you should go for all these 10 things and you will surely like this. The next is, we are only left with 2 products. That is, one is mascara and the other is eyeliner, जो मुझे बिल्कुल लगाना नहीं आता है, and but whenever I put, it looks good. Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara, and guys, I'm telling you, this is so good. If you are not putting anything on your eyes, just the mascara, you should go for this. This is it. This is so good, and it have a very curvy bond. As you can see, it have a curvy bond, and I have seen in one of Malvika's video, she tells that whenever you curl your lashes with the mascara, you should go first towards the right, the inner corner. In the middle, you should go towards upwards, and when coming toward outwards, you should go towards the left. So that goes. So that is the right procedure for putting up the mascara, but I never follows that. So I go like this, and I'm done. and my lashes go so big and after applying this, and it's awesome. I know I'm telling for everything it's awesome, but guys, if these things are in my top 10 list, you should go for this. This is awesome. And again, I say this is awesome. So the last product is Maybelline Colossal Bold Liner. Yes, this is also from Maybelline, and I guess this was for 279 rupees. And again, I'm about to say it, you should count this time. This is the best product, and this is the best liner if you are looking for liners in budget. Let me just show you. It is awesome, guys, but it is super drying. If you put it and you make a mistake, you just have to remove it all. So go slowly on the eyes when you put it. So that was my top 10, guys. This was my top 10 favorite products what I use. If you want to buy these products, I will be mentioning the links in the description box. You can surely go and buy these. So go for it, people. This is very much in budget products. The price may have fluctuated 20-10 rupees, but they are under 500 rupees. It may, few things may have crossed 500 rupees right now, because I have ordered few of these products when the sale was going on. So that's it for today's video. If you like the video, you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe, and we will see you next time. So I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and be safe.